Hello everyone, this is Dade here with MarineMax Grand Lake, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a short video walkthrough of this 2007 Sea Ray 52 Sundancer. This Sundancer is going to feature a spacious and innovative cockpit layout that features a unique rotating lounge that's perfect for entertaining a large number of guests. This also comes with a well-appointed cabin with 2 stateroom, 2-head layout. The forward master stateroom and guest stateroom with bunks provide comfortable overnight accommodations for family and friends. This is also going to come equipped with a refrigerator, freezer, and stove that's going to allow for gourmet meals to be prepared while on the water. This boat is also going to come equipped with twin Cummins V-Drive diesel engines known for their smooth and efficient performance. So you won't have to worry about anything as you're going down the water. Of course, if you like this boat or anything else you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by MarineMax or give us a call today.